Good morning. It is 5:23 on Tuesday, May 31st, and my first trip out to Ottawa Lake this year. It's one of my favorite lakes for fishing. So if I catch some fish, then you'll see it. If not, well, then you won't see it. All right, let's get to fishing. I've been seeing a lot of small fish pop up out here. Pretty sure they're bluegills, but there might be a bass or two in there with them. So we're gonna try. Oop, had a tick. Got him. Yep, bluegills. Oh, rock bass. First cast of the day, I caught a rock bass. It's my first rock bass of the year. Pretty neat little fish. I like rock bass. Got another one. Another rock bass, maybe? Are these rock bass? Oh, it's a largemouth. It is another rock bass. These are all rock bass. They must be spawning. I don't know what this is, but he hit hard. That's a little bass. He socked the crap out of that. Little tiny little guy. There we go. Not huge, but a bass. Just another little tiny guy. Hope they get bigger today. There we go. I mean, they're getting bigger. That was bigger than that first one I caught. Love the frogs. Bullfrogs. That's why I like to get out to this lake so early. This is a public campground park, actually, and it gets really busy once it gets a little bit later in the morning. Getting out here this early gives me a chance to enjoy the peace and the nature before everybody starts making all their noises and stuff. There we go. Oh, he got off. Dang it. was a pretty decent bass there too. There's another one. Oh, a big rock bass. That's a better rock bass. Whoops! Fell right out of my hand. Sorry about that, guys. We're just gonna do the outro now. It's too windy. All small fish, but I'll still post it mainly for my boy to see. So, all right. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Have a good day.